What we have here is the most succulent piece of meat from the American whitetail, the backstrap, the most sought after piece of meat from the American whitetail, a delicacy amongst rednecks, hunters, and people that like meat all over the world. What's happening, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's me. Just once. I want to do this in one take. What's happening, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy AB3, Southpaw Bow Dude, representing for all the left-handers out there. If you have not done so, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, share these videos. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you are not an organ donor, please think about becoming an organ donor. An organ donor saved my life, and you never know the life that you may save when you become an organ donor. Got all of that out the way. Now let's talk about today's video. Today, going to go through my spicy backstrap recipe. Got a fresh backstrap from my meat freezer full of good aim, what I call my freezer. And I took my backstrap out, defrosted, got it together, and we're gonna get into this backstrap recipe. So y'all check that out. Official Bryantland.com, official Bryantland.com. Support the merch that supports the brand. Official Bryantland.com. Alright, so we got a fresh backstrap. Fresh as in off of a deer that I shot this past deer season. Pure, 100% organic. Eat local, like the t-shirt says. Make sure you buy the t-shirt. officialbryantland.com. You can buy that t-shirt. Anyway, got the backstrap, got it nice and ready here. We're gonna put our seasoning on it. Now the seasoning that I am working with is gonna be the Pepper Palace Spicy Venison Seasoning. Pepper Palace Venison Season, spicy brand. Shout out to my boy Paul Paquette who sent this for me to try. So we're gonna sprinkle it on this backstrap, give it a nice rub, get it a nice coating, and then get it ready and put on the grill. All right, got the seasoning in, rubbed it down. You can see all kind of herbs, spices, peppers, spicy seasoning here on the backstrap. Nice. Got a good rub going, got the flavor in there, rubbed inside the meat. Insert all your jokes there. But at the end of the day, this backstrap is ready for the grill. We're gonna take it out there and let's get it started. All right, so we'll preset our grill to 450. You can see the temp is rising, 468, 469. But once we open this grill, temp's gonna lower and then it'll level out. Get that backstrap on the grill. Nothing too crazy. Got it there. Gonna close this grill. Come back in probably about 10 minutes, flip it over. All right, we flipped it over. We got some good grill lines going. Nice juice going. Gonna come back in a few minutes. We'll take it off, slice it up, and see what we're working with. But that thing is looking good, baby. All right, we back. We ready now. Look at it. Look at it. It's looking good, looking good. Look at those lines. Let's flip it over on the other side. Look at those right there. You got lines in there too. Man, this piece of strap looking real good. We're gonna take it off and slice it open and see what we got. All right, we got it off. We got it on the cutting board. We let it rest. Now we're gonna take a sharp knife, cut into this thing and see what we got. Cut into it. Looking good. know it's probably a little more well done for what some of y'all like. I know you guys, a lot of y'all some medium well type folks. The ends is definitely well done. Cut in here into the middle. Looking good, looking juicy. All right, slice it up. It's looking good, it's smelling good. Can't wait to taste this. I know, y'all wondering, well damn, did you taste it? Hell yeah, I tasted it. It tastes good too. Spicy. Oh, put it right here. That's where the camera, that's where the lens is. Is it in focus? There we go. Spicy venison backstrap. Got this deer earlier in the season, and now it's right here on my table. That's how it's done. And we catch y'all on the next one.